Have you ever wondered what makes South Carolina so special? Well, let me tell you, it's a place where charm, beauty, history, and culture intertwine in a captivating dance. Nestled in the heart of the United States, South Carolina is a state that holds a unique allure. South Carolina is a treasure trove of natural beauty, where every turn reveals a picturesque landscape that'll steal your breath away. Whether it's the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains or the serene sandy beaches, there's a piece of paradise for every nature lover. The state is also a vibrant of history and culture. From the echoes of the Civil War that still resonate in its historic sites, to the modern attractions that showcase the state's progressive spirit, South Carolina offers a rich tapestry of experiences. And let's not forget the bustling cities, teeming with its own distinct character, offering a blend of southern charm and urban sophistication. So, ready to embark on this exciting journey to the wonders of South Carolina? Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts. Imagine waking up to the stunning vistas of South Carolina, where nature reveals its best. South Carolina, a jewel nestled in the southeastern United States, is a cornucopia of natural beauty. From the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains in the upstate to the serene shores of Myrtle Beach, the state offers diverse landscapes that are nothing short of breathtaking. The Blue Ridge Mountains, part of the Appalachian Mountain Range, roll across the state's northwestern corner. Here, peaks and valleys cloaked in lush greenery offer a spectacle of nature's grandeur. The mountains are home to Sassafras Mountain, the state's highest point, where one can witness the awe-inspiring view of 4 different states from its peak. Moving towards the heart of the state, you'll find Lake Jocassee, a hidden gem of South Carolina. The lake, nestled among the Blue Ridge Mountains, is a picture of tranquility. Its crystal-clear waters mirror the surrounding emerald green forests and sapphire skies, creating a scene that could easily be mistaken for a work of art. For those who prefer the rhythmic lull of waves, South Carolina's Myrtle Beach is a dream come true. The city boasts 60 miles of sandy beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. The golden sands, kissed by the warm Atlantic waves, offer a perfect retreat for sunbathers, surfers, and those simply seeking tranquility. Nature's bounty in South Carolina doesn't stop at its landscapes. The state is also a haven for biodiversity, as seen in the Congaree National Park. This old-growth floodplain forest is a vibrant tapestry of towering trees, teeming wetlands, and diverse wildlife. The park is a living testament to the state's rich natural heritage, where one can witness the harmonious coexistence of various species in their natural habitat. South Carolina's natural beauty goes beyond its physical attributes. It's an immersive experience that engages all the senses. It's the smell of fresh mountain air, the sound of waves gently lapping the shore, the sight of a deer darting through the forest, and the feel of warm sand beneath your feet. Indeed, South Carolina is a paradise for nature lovers. South Carolina, a state where history lives and breathes. This is not just a saying, but a testament to the rich tapestry of events and people that have shaped this land. The story of South Carolina is a captivating tale that unfolds from its days as one of the original 13 colonies through the tumultuous times of the American Revolution and Civil War and into the present day. Let's turn back the pages to when South Carolina was a fledgling colony. Founded in 1663, it was the 8th of the 13 colonies. The colony was a key player in the American Revolution, with more than 200 battles fought on its soil. As we delve deeper into the past, we find that South Carolina was not just a silent spectator, but an active participant in shaping the America we know today. Fast forward to the Civil War era. South Carolina was the first state to secede from the Union, a decision that ignited the fuse of the Civil War. The state's strategic position and strong stance on secession made it a vital player in this conflict that changed the face of the nation. But history in South Carolina is not only found in textbooks. It's etched into the very landscape, with historic sites like Fort Sumter, where the first shots of the Civil War were fired. In the Charleston Historic District, you can walk the cobblestone streets that have been trodden upon by generations, each leaving their mark on this city. The Magnolia Plantation and Gardens, with its centuries-old trees and stunning flora, whispers tales of the past if you listen closely. Yet what truly brings South Carolina's history to life are the stories of the people who lived it. From indigenous tribes and European settlers to African slaves and Civil War soldiers, their experiences, struggles, and triumphs are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of South Carolina's past. South Carolina's history is not just about dates and events. It's about the people who made it. And each visit to this state is an opportunity to step back in time and experience a piece of that history for yourself. Culture is the lifeblood of South Carolina, and it pulsates with a rhythm all its own. From the rhythmic cadences of bluegrass music to the vibrant hues of local artwork, South Carolina's culture is as diverse and colorful as the state's lush landscapes. It's a blend of time-honored tradition and innovative spirit that truly represents the soul of the South. The state's music scene is a harmonious blend of genres. Bluegrass echoes through the mountains while jazz and blues fill the coastal air. The Carolina Shag, a dance born on the sandy beaches of the Grand Strand, is a testament to this state's love for rhythm and movement. South Carolina's art scene is equally captivating. From the handcrafted sweetgrass baskets of Mount Pleasant to the stunning murals in the city of Greenville, local artisans weave their stories and heritage into each creation. The annual Charleston Spoleto Festival, a 17-day art extravaganza, is a testament to the state's commitment to celebrate and nurture the arts. But the state's vibrant culture is not just confined to music and arts. The cuisine here is a flavorful reflection of its rich history and diverse influences. From the smoky, savory goodness of South Carolina barbecue to the fresh, briny sweetness of low-country seafood, every bite tells a story. The Gullah culture, a unique African-American heritage that has deeply influenced the state's history, cuisine, and dialect, adds another layer to South Carolina's cultural tapestry. The Gullah Geechee corridor, stretching from southern North Carolina to northern Florida, is a living testament to the resilience, creativity, and enduring spirit of the Gullah people. Festivals in South Carolina are an explosion of joy, color, and community spirit. From the annual Grits Festival in St. George to the Watermelon Festival in Hampton, these celebrations are a testament to the state's agricultural bounty and the warm hospitality of its people. In South Carolina, culture is not just an aspect of life, it is life. South Carolina is a state where tradition and innovation dance together, creating a vibrant culture that is as diverse, rich, and welcoming as its people. Scene script. South Carolina is not just about places, it's about people too, some very famous people. So, let's dive into the list of notable personalities who have their roots firmly planted in the rich soils of South Carolina. These folks have not only made a name for themselves, but have also made South Carolina proud on the world stage. Let's kick things off with the ever-entertaining Stephen Colbert. Born and raised in Charleston, Colbert has tickled our funny bones as the host of The Colbert Report and The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. His sharp wit and comedic genius have earned him a place in the hearts of millions, making him one of the most recognized faces in late-night television. Next up, we have the supremely talented Viola Davis. Born in the small town of St. Matthews, Davis's journey from poverty to the pinnacle of Hollywood is truly inspiring. With an Academy Award, an Emmy, and 2 Tonys under her belt, Davis is a force to be reckoned with in the acting world. Her performances in Fences and How to Get Away with Murder have established her as one of the finest actresses of her generation. And who can forget Darius Rucker? This Charleston native is a true music maestro. Initially gaining fame as the lead vocalist of Hootie and Amp the Blowfish, Rucker later embarked on a successful solo career in country music. His soulful voice and heartfelt lyrics have won him a slew of awards and a legion of fans. But the list doesn't end here. South Carolina is home to many more notable personalities in various fields, from literature to sports, science to politics. Each one of them has contributed in their own unique way, adding to the rich tapestry that is South Carolina's heritage. South Carolina has always been a cradle of talent, producing stars that shine bright. And remember, these are just a few examples of the many South Carolinians who have made their mark. Who knows? The next big star could be just around the corner, waiting to be discovered in the Palmetto State. So, what makes South Carolina so special? Well, where do we begin? The state's natural beauty is beyond compare, from the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains to the sparkling Atlantic coastline. It's a paradise for nature lovers, offering a wealth of outdoor activities all year round. South Carolina's rich history is another highlight. It's a place where and present intersect, where stories of revolution and civil rights echo through the ages. Every corner of the state steeped in tales that shaped not just South Carolina, but the entire United States. And let's not forget about the vibrant culture. South Carolina is a melting pot of music, food, and festivals that reflect its diverse heritage. It's also the birthplace of many famous personalities who've left their mark on the world stage. South Carolina, with its charm and diversity, is indeed a state worth exploring. So when are you planning your visit? Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.